Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how I made this paper cut jet lamp using very basic tools and materials, and I hope you can make your own at home. First, you'll need to draw the outline. You can print the outline from tons of templates that you can find online. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to download and print them. But for today, I'm just gonna draw it and get creative with my design. Both work the same, so you can choose which one is the best for you. Then, cut the outline using a pen cutter. But I'm just using a utility cutter since I don't have access to the pen cutter. It's not the best option, but it works just fine. Please be careful, try not to hurt your finger while cutting it. My design consists of 3 layers, so it will give a depth effect, but you can make it with 1 layer only, it's not a problem. The next step is taking them into a frame. Here I'm using a foam board for a frame that I bought from a local store for less than $1. You can use an RGB LED strip, they are affordable and give better results. But I only have this lamp at home, so I'm just gonna cover it with origami paper. And here's the result. Please subscribe for more videos like this and comment down below if you're planning to build your own. Thanks for watching.